I'm going to paint these awesome dragonflies using watercolors. It's gonna be super simple, no need for any sketching beforehand. I begin by painting the head of the dragonfly using Payne's gray. Then I switch to French ultramarine for the body. As I work my way down, I gradually add more water to the pigment, resulting in a subtle gradient effect by the end of the body. Using dark value of Payne's gray, I paint the eyes of this dragonfly. Then moving on to the wings, I opt for lighter shade of Payne's gray. While the wings are still wet, I introduce French ultramarine to add a unique texture to these wings. We've completed painting the first dragonfly. After painting the first dragonfly, I use Payne's gray to paint the head of the second dragonfly. Then I mixed French ultramarine with Gamboge Yellow to paint the body of this dragonfly. I mixed French ultramarine with a touch of Gamboge Yellow to get a cool green, which is used to paint the body of the dragonfly. You can see I gradually reduce the value of the pigment as I work down to the bottom of the body. Then using the remaining pigment on my brush and adding more water, I paint the wings of this dragonfly. After painting the wings, I apply a mix of Gamboge Yellow with a touch of ultramarine to add a unique texture for these wings. Finally, I add the eyes using Payne's gray. And just like that, we have completed painting the second dragonfly. Once again, I'm using Payne's gray to paint the head of this third dragonfly. To paint the body of this third dragonfly, I'm using Opera Rose. As usual, I gradually reduce the value of the pigment as I move to the bottom of the body. I mixed Opera Rose with Payne's Grey and added more water to it to paint the wings of this third dragonfly. After painting the wings and when they are still wet, I use Payne's Grey to this wet area to create an unique texture for those wings. At last I splattered some blues and greens on the remaining white areas to create some visual interest for this painting. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye from Prema.